Okay, this is a video about how I finally figured out how to start a chainsaw when my chainsaw was a little big, or too big for my weak arms, I guess. I made a board like this. Made it red so I don't leave it somewhere. Choke it, obviously. Put your board in there like that. Stand on your board. That's how I figured out how to do it. I finally found it on a search on the internet. Some little guy had, by the grace of God, put it on there. Put a little blurb on there about how to do that. So thank you. Bye.